5 important functions of protein in your body. 1. Growth and maintenance. Your body needs protein for growth and maintenance of tissues. Yet, your body's proteins are in a constant state of turnover. Under normal circumstances, your body breaks down the same amount of protein that it uses to build and repair tissues. Other times, it breaks down more protein than it can create, thus increasing your body's needs. 2. Causes. Biochemical reactions. Enzymes are proteins that aid the thousands of biochemical reactions that take place within and outside of your cells. The structure of enzymes allows them to combine with other molecules inside the cell called substrates, which catalyze reactions that are essential to your metabolism. 3. Acts as a messenger. Some proteins are hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid communication between your cells, tissues and organs. They are made and secreted by endocrine tissues or glands and then transported in your blood to their target tissues or organs where they bind to protein receptors on the cell surface. 4. Provide structure. Some proteins are fibrous and provide cells and tissues with stiffness and rigidity. These proteins include keratin, collagen and elastin, which help form the connective framework of certain structures in your body. 5. Maintains proper pH. Protein plays a vital role in regulating the concentrations of acids and bases in your blood and other bodily fluids. The balance between acids and bases is measured using the pH scale. It ranges from 0 to 14, with 0 being the most acidic, 7 neutral and 14 the most. 5 important functions of protein in your body. 1. Growth and maintenance. Your body needs protein for growth and maintenance of tissues.